You want to just
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
Is that
That's
good?
great.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you can see it. Do you need one more, or you think that's good?
No, that's perfect. Do I need to move it over more, or do you think that's okay?
I think that's okay.
Okay. So we're ready. We're not going to, I'll just talk about adding these because I've already added it.
I can hear you guys now because I guess the battery died. So just tell me whenever you're rolling. Okay, thank you. In 3, 2. Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. We're joined once again by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. You've been here this morning. We've done 2 recipes. This is our 3rd here at Midday, and we're making toffee bars. Love toffee, so I'm really excited to hear how we're incorporating soy in this.
Another great recipe for Santa to have. I've already creamed 1 cup of butter with 1 cup of brown sugar.
Okay.
And I'm just using a bowl and a spoon this morning. But at home, I use my electric mixer, and that would be easier to blend all this as we go along.
It's
and
a
I'll
little
show you.
thick, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to add 1 egg yolk to this, and our vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'll mix this. And while I'm just mixing this a little bit, Jared, I'm going to add the salt to you. This is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and the soy flour. Mix that together, and then I've got this little scoop there, and just start adding it. Now, this is the step that if I was at home, I would go ahead and continue to use my electric mixer. But this is going to mix, and if you want to mix it by hand, it just takes a few minutes because you gradually add it in, and you're going to make a cookie dough. So we'll mix that together, and then you can go ahead and just add
magic
it.
and TV here.
Yeah.
So you're just going to get out your electric mixer and
And mix that. And then what we do is that we use the back of a spoon, and it just spreads real easily into a jelly roll pan. Grease it and press it in there to make your cookie. Put it in the oven at 325 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. You want it to get just slightly golden brown. Take it out, and then I have melted 4 ounces of milk chocolate. Pour that over it and spread it out. And then we have a combination of pecans and roasted soy nuts that we put on top of that. Let it set up, and then cut it into bars. And it makes 30 bars that you can have for your holiday treats.
I love it. Well, I want cashews and soy nuts.
And you know the beauty of making it yourself, you can combine the soy nuts with the cashews.
You know that every time I'm like, can I change out one thing? And it's going to be perfect. This looks amazing. I'm just going to take a little taste here.
And I'll just add real quick.
Oh, wow.
Aren't they good?
It's very good.
I'll just add real quick that we talked about this morning. There's still time to enter the Kansas Wheat Commission's 2025 National Festival of Breads Recipe Contest. This month we'll be sending the 2024 book out again with our December recipes. We'll also have the link to the website with all the guidelines and instructions for entering. But you can include a creative ingredient, and we're suggesting think about that soy ingredient that you might put in there that would make it a winner.
I love it. Sorry. This is so good. Thank you for being here. Right now, let's head over and take a final look at the forecast while I finish this.